An oceanic enigma introducing the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a place of mystery, a name that sends shivers down spines. But what is it? The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the North Atlantic Ocean. It's roughly triangular in shape. The points are usually given as Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. This area has become in for unexplained maritime disappearances. Ships and planes have vanished here. They leave behind few clues and much speculation. These disappearances have fueled countless stories. They range from the plausible to the utterly fantastical. But what is the truth? Are these disappearances truly beyond explanation? Or are there more rational forces at work? This essay will delve into the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. We will examine the evidence, we will explore the theories, and we will seek to separate fact from fiction. Flight 19 vanishes, a mystery takes flight. One of the most famous disappearances associated with the Bermuda Triangle is that of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 Grumman TBM Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale Naval Air Station in Florida. It was a routine training mission. 14 men were on board. They never returned. The flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported strange compass malfunctions. He described the sea looking different and the sky turning a strange yellowish green. Radio transmissions were garbled. The plane seemed to be lost and disoriented. Then silence. A massive search and rescue operation was launched. It yielded no trace of the missing planes or their crews. The disappearance of Flight 19 sent shockwaves through the nation. It cemented the Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of peril. How could 5 planes with experienced pilots simply vanish into thin air? The incident remains a haunting mystery. It continues to fuel speculation about the true nature of the Bermuda Triangle. Echoes of the deep, the Cyclops, and other tales. Flight 19 is perhaps the most well-known disappearance attributed to the Bermuda Triangle, but it is far from the only one. The USS Cyclops, a Navy collier carrying over 300 men and a full load of manganese ore, vanished in March 1918. No distress signals were received. No wreckage was ever found. Another intriguing case is that of the Ellen Austin, a ship found sailing crewless in 1881. The story goes that the Ellen Austin encountered another ship in calm seas. The ship was in perfect condition but completely deserted. A boarding party was sent to investigate. The other ship mysteriously vanished only to reappear later, again deserted. Whether this is a true account or maritime folklore is debatable, but it adds to the mystique of the Bermuda Triangle. These disappearances, spanning decades and involving a variety of vessels, have fueled the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. They have led some to believe that a unique and sinister force operates in this region of the ocean. Section 4, Birth of a Legend. The Bermuda Triangle is christened. The term Bermuda Triangle itself is a relatively recent invention. It was coined in 1964 by Vincent H. Gaddis in an article for Argosy magazine. Gaddis's article, titled The Deadly Bermuda Triangle, recounted several mysterious disappearances in the region. It captured the public's imagination, and the name stuck. The popularity of Gaddis's article, along with subsequent books and documentaries, helped to solidify the Bermuda Triangle's place in popular culture. The region became synonymous with the unexplained and the paranormal. However, it is important to note that Gaddis himself never claimed that the Bermuda Triangle was a supernatural phenomenon. He simply compiled a series of intriguing disappearances and left it to the reader to draw their own conclusions. Section 5, Science seeks answers from magnetism to methane. Scientists have long been skeptical of supernatural explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. They have proposed a number of more rational theories here. One theory suggests that the region may be prone to magnetic anomalies. Compasses could malfunction, leading to navigational errors. Another theory points to the presence of methane hydrates on the seabed. These hydrates can release large bubbles of methane gas. These bubbles can reduce the density of the water, causing ships to sink rapidly. The methane gas could also ignite, potentially explaining reports of explosions in the area. While these theories offer plausible explanations for some disappearances, they do not account for all the reported anomalies. The debate over the true nature of the Bermuda Triangle continues. Section 6, The Human Element, Perception and Probability. It is important to consider the role of human perception and probability when evaluating the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The Baader-Meinhof Effect, also known as the frequency illusion, suggests that once we notice something once, we tend to notice it more often, even if its actual frequency hasn't changed. This could explain why we seem to hear more about disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle than in other parts of the ocean. Furthermore, the Bermuda Triangle is a heavily trafficked area. It's statistically probable that more incidents will occur there simply due to the volume of ships and planes passing through. The vastness of the ocean also makes it difficult to locate wreckage, which could contribute to perception of unexplained disappearances. While the Bermuda Triangle may hold a certain allure, it's crucial to approach the subject with a healthy dose of skepticism. The ocean is a vast and unforgiving environment. Mysteries are bound to occur.